Hello everyone. So just wanted to make sure that we are online with proper audio and every setup. Just a minute, let me check in my phone. Tunes. Yeah, the audio is also good and we are on it. Advanced 720. Is it properly going? Yeah, it is going properly. Okay, so by the title only, you can assume that what we are going to do today. And from now on we are going to try and we're going to understand how business works. Even I don't know about that much on these topics, but we are trying to go through we are going trying to go deep inside this so that we can find the peoples by going through walking through and the raising what it's required for this actual product to grow for the people. And I don't have any idea around what we are going to do today or anything related to the product that we are going to design, but we have the clarity that we are going to build a product. First I'll open the drawing sheet so that the actual things that are related to what we are going to do will be more clear. Paint. So the main thing that we are going to cover here or we are going to understand here is go back. Okay, mainly we are going to learn about three things today. See, the actual product is going to be like this. Okay, so okay, actual product is going to be like there, and what we have here is the preparation for that. Preparation for that, what we require, what we need to do to prepare our product, and what we're going through while making that product workable for each and every one of us. Okay, so these things are most important while we are going through this a product summary. Second thing is when we go through, we are going to actually going to build this product, and after building that product we are going to deploy it. We are going to host it for the people, and just trying to make it a thing. Okay, but while building the product, I need your help, the people that is watching this stream, or the people who subscribed or who needed to help me. I'm going to make a group of that people, and while making it, I'm going to take their help or make a ticket to build something like a feature or anything like that. So I don't know about the Figma design. I don't know about the Angular architecture. I know about the .NET development, but most of the things that are required, I don't know about that. So while creating this application, we are going to go through these technologies also by properly preparing for this. Now, what is the so okay? So these are the things that we are going to do to make this thing uh, as a as a thing. So, what is our first goal? To understand. Okay, what is our main goal, understand the tech. Okay, the first thing that we are going to make sure that we are understanding the technology related to what we are doing, like Angular, .NET, database architecture, and the product architecture. While designing the product, while creating the tabs related to it, we are going to understand, is it correctly understandable by us only, or are we making it so complex? So that is the main thing that we are going to understand from this. Second thing is, while going through it, understand the tech is the main important thing, so that while you are doing the actual job, you can understand the things that are coming to your way. Then another thing is understand the tech. Uh, uh, Build it instead of decorate. Okay, decoration related to that product is going to be the secondary part that we're going to build, but the prior part or main part is going to be like, it is going to be a thing, or it's a workable thing. We are going to make sure that it is a workable thing. Then we are going to make sure that it is looking good for everyone, making sure that if it is looking good, and it is workable for each and every people that are related to this product. Okay, so these are the main priorities for us. Third thing is, build a team for that. So this is the first product that we are going to build. Second product, third product, or a business related to this, we are going to make a team, make a point where we are going to say that this is our team, this is the product that we have built as a community, or um, as a people that are working as a software development department. Okay, so it is a open firm to just contribute to, like we have Jira, Jira or any other tool that is open for us to work and push our code, push our tickets also. Sorry, push our work related to whatever I have assigned to you guys. So if it is possible, then make sure that make sure that it is firstly it is a thing. Understand the tech and build a team. Okay, from that team we are going to building uh, different businesses also. Okay, so this is related to IT department. Then we are going to shift it to different departments also. First, we have to make sure that this product is going to be built and served to our peoples. Okay, idea. So I don't have any idea also related to whatever we are going to build today. So the idea, the main rough estimate for this, whatever we are going to do is, I have not still understood that what we have to do, but the rough estimate I'm going to set is a month. But if it is possible to give this product for this product like nearly um, an hour a day, or 6 7 hours end of the week, like Saturday Sunday, 6 7 hours, then it is going to be the long process, long journey. So that your help also needed for me to build this product. Okay, so while doing this, we are going to make sure that if I'm stuck at somewhere, you are going to help me, like whatever I have created, or whatever I have the blueprint around. So you have to enhance it, if it is possible. If I give you a task, if our volunteers are eager to learn or eager to help me, then they are going to they I'm going to assign some tasks to them, and take some help around from you guys. Okay, so first of all, we have to have an idea how to build something. Second thing, we have to have a starting starting point. So I don't have any starting point till now, that from where we are going to start. Like, do we need to create a Figma design first, or do we need to create an idea and document around that idea? So we are going to do that today. So from today onwards, we are going to start building an idea, or you can comment the idea that you have. But I have one idea around what we are going to do. So we'll talk about it later. So starting point of that particular idea is going to be somewhere like creating a Figma, or doing the document. That is going to be the starting part. I'm doing it alone for now. So it is a single thing. So we are going to research on YouTube, or research on Google what we have to do to create a single hand project related to that. So by the by the by the actual IT department works, we are going to make it from scratch. Okay, that's the main goal for us, to understand means to understand the actual product. All right. So what is the main thing we are going to do today is we are going to uh, discuss around the idea that we are going to make. Okay. So what is the idea that I'm going to describe you? Okay. So for that, we are going to create a Figma design. In that Figma design only, we have to make sure that everything that is related to our product is going to be covered in actual that Figma design. All right. So uh, so my first idea would be like, see, I don't know about this if it is implemented or not, but my first idea is like, if we are rough idea. Okay. So rough idea is going to be like, suppose person, let it be like this. A person wants to go from this place to this place. All right. Person wants to go from this place, sorry, place 1 to place 2. Okay. So a person wants to go from this place to this place. Okay. Control Z. I'm doing this. Okay, like this. All right. So I need to go from this place to this place. Then what we are doing for now, my suppose I need to go to my hometown, but I need to go to a sorry, a station where my bus is going to be there. Okay. My Ola, Uber, or anything I have to take to go to that place, and then my bus is going to be there. I'm going to sit on that bus uh, and go to my native place. So from this place to this place, suppose this is my current place, and this is my native place. So total distance between this costs me around okay, this total costs me around 450 rupees. Okay, RS. All right. So for from this place to this place, the distance between them is 350 kilometers. Okay, sorry, kilometer. So for each kilometer, what we are costing here, So 1.5 rupees or anything like that. Okay, so for 350 kilometers we are costing around 450 rupees. But to to reach to this position, suppose I'm at this place, this here. Okay, so this is the place where I'm staying at the job, place job. Okay, these are the rough thing that I'm going to make, but just understand the idea. So what is the distance between these two places? Suppose 10 kilometers. Okay, so these two places distance between them is 10 kilometers, and the rough costing whatever we have given is 220 rupees that I have given. Okay, these are the realities that we are facing. If you are also facing this reality, then please comment down. So what is the costing between these things? So we are going to calculate it. Calculate. So 350 kilometers divided by, no, sorry, see, 450 rupees divided by 350 kilometers. Okay, equals to 1.24 rupees per kilometer. 1.24 rs rupees per kilometer. But what is this cost? Okay, so 3 to 220 divided by 10 equals to, what is this cost? 22 rupees. 22 rs per kilometer. Okay, so this is the pricing difference between whatever we are going to pay to the service that are we costing to. Okay, so for this distance we are costing around 22 rupees per kilometer, but for this distance we are costing around 1.2 kilometers, 1.2 rupees per kilometer. All right, so how can we overcome this? So suppose you have uh, from which what are the things that we are passing here? Means we have different domains where we can book, like Ola, Uber, or any other services of taxis. I don't know about that, but most of the things that are using Ola and Uber for this. These are the costing around we are giving to them. So suppose some of the people that have their own bikes, like I have my own bike that is sit here while I'm going to or travel to this 10 kilometers. So what we are going to do here, suppose I have a bike, and so what we have, bike. Okay, so we have bike, and by the distance we carry this, we cannot carry this because from this place we have to go travel to our hometown and then come back. So for these two also occasions, while coming back and going to the this place, we are going to cost this 220 rupees. Okay, so suppose we have a bike. Okay, and that bike is, we are going to make sure that have the place to just travel to this place, and we can stay or keep our bikes to this place for 2 or 5 days, and coming back, after coming back we can get our possession of that bike and then go to our place, so that we can cost around 50 to 20 rupees of petrol, but that where we are costing around 440 rupees. Okay, so what we have, we have a bike. Okay, so we are going to travel through that bike to the 10 kilometers this. Okay, we park to the certified area parking that we have by our product. Okay, that service we are giving. So this product is going to be around that, and we can have a charge like 20 or no charge for parking the bike, so that whatever we are costing here is going to be can have a year. I need to check. Okay, give me a minute so that I can. Certified parking, which is our product. Okay, and that product is going to be like, can I have charge for daily. Okay, so by daily basis we can charge to them whatever we have the parking cost. Oh, okay, there. So this is what we have. We're going to do to build this product. So now, what is the main thing that we are going to do here? The main thing that we are going to do here is the main thing that we are going to do here is the idea around this. Okay, the mm, the actual idea we are going to set, then building around that particular idea is we are going to understand or create. Okay, so our main motto is make it workable, then we can shape it. All right, so whatever the things that we required to make it workable, we are going to do that. Okay, so if any idea which is more important to this than this, if it is possible, then we are going to take that idea also. uh, this is not the thing that we are going to work on this idea for continuously like until we have different idea. If we can switch to that idea if it is possible, and if it is good than this idea. All right, so what we are going to do here, we are going to understand how product works first. Okay, what are the things that are required, what are the things that we have to do to make this product workable. So let's start, let's continue around the Google, what we required here. What are on make the product? IT. Okay, okay, validated idea, a clear definition of what a product is, and the product is it's solved. Okay, so we are solving the parking issues, or so increased uh, cost of um, what are the taxi applications right now. All right, these are the situations that we are facing. So we are creating this idea as quickly as possible. Make research, understand the target customers, assigning competitors, and validating that the product is needed. Product requires document, uh, detailed document outlining product specific and feature and functionalities. Okay, this is the most important thing that we are going to do here. Okay, prototype, preliminary code in enough version and product used to test functionalities and appearance before mass production. Okay, so before mass production, we have to make sure that we have tested that application, or we tested that functionality that we have created. Okay, so these are the main things that we have to do. Human and structural, okay, physical and technical inputs. So what we need to do now, just I need to make sure that everything is working fine. Just give me a minute. Okay. Okay, so so now the first thing that we are going to do is research R&D around what are the technologies that we are going to use in this product. Okay, so the first, mm, long term and good for for making the IT product, like it will be an application. Okay, front end React.js, which is TypeScript application. Okay, for building the long-term high-quality IT product that is application in 2026 beyond the best technology chosen priority prioritize stability, scalability, strong community support, and clear evolution roadmap. Okay, based on industry trends for 2026 until 2030, the most recognized technologies are generally those that are large ecosystems that allows write one or run anywhere, write once and run anywhere capabilities backend by major tech companies. So Angular we are going to use, ठीक है? Okay, React.js, which is with the TypeScript. still the lead and choose the dynamic components based UIs. Its, its virtual DOM allows efficient updates, making suitable components applications. Next, yes, the go-to for the modern high-performance web applications requiring server-side server-side rendering, SSR, SEO, and rapid development. Okay. So Angular, the backend by Google. This is the strong choice for the large-scale enterprise application required strict structure and long-term stability. So this, and for backend Python, Java, C Sharp, robust robust choice for the Microsoft ecosystems project office offering high performance and security for enterprise applications. So database MongoDB, PostgreSQL. So I am not sure about how we are going to use the database, but SSMS, that is the first priority that we are going to take. And full stack application, stack.net, Spring Boot, and new language. Not sure. Take a, so what we are going to do? We are going to take this first copy. Word, Microsoft Word. Taking the blank one and pasting it here. Angular backend. Hmm, why this is coming? Oh, okay, got it. We have to have a notepad also for a notepad. Open this one. Okay. Now it is going to take like this. Control V. So Angular, for Angular we are going to some choice or large scale enterprise level applications stable teams. So next, what we are going to use for backend C Sharp. Robust. For backend we are going to use this. Okay, this one and this. We are going to use for our code making. Okay, so we are going to try to give this idea to any AI so that it will give us a proper document, what we need to do, what we need to have more about this details around the topic also, so that it is going to make sure that we have a proper thing around us, so that we can build a proper understandable product also. Okay, so copy this, what we have, the plan for, I have to explain it also. So plan plan for the product is we are going to create the product around, we are going to create a product around mm, uh, parking bike for 3 days for longer period. All right. So for longer period, somewhere, and safe with the with us. Safe with us. Okay. Have continuous. Oh, I don't know the spelling. Surveillance of the or car you have by CCTV or pictures. Okay, these are the things that we have, and what we can say. I need the document need to create the document create the document this topic. Okay, I need to create document around this topic so that what you can say. All right, give me the document ID. The document idea for and for it. Okay, so roadmap also I have rendered roadmap also. Okay, so now what we have prompt one. So make it bold, copy this text. Now go to chat gpt. We are having idea. So what we are going to do? All right, so go to the chat gpt and check whether we have anything to get from it, or we have to do it by our own only. Okay, the most things it can give us, but a roadmap, what you need to do, what are the software that we can use, it will give us. All right, what is happening here. Chat gpt. Okay, all right, we have now prompt, run it. Where document a smart, secure uh, parking system. The product title, the smart secure parking and surveillance system. Okay, so this is what the title that you have given to us, but we are not going to take this title. Products statement finding the safe parking for long drive duration, fear of vehicle thief or damage, nowhere to monitor the vehicle remotely, vehicle thief, okay, lack of trusted parking spaces, okay, solution overview, solution overview, secure parking slots, monitoring the vehicle via live CCTV snapshots, get real-time alerts, access vehicle anything with the secure, okay, nice. Technology stacks, front-end, Angular, scalable structured architecture, backend based database SQL structure, with high readability. ठीक है. Other tools jQuery plus Ajax, okay, for user based model if it requires Azure cloud hosting, CCTV API, okay, IoT integration, CCTV API, IoT integration. We have to do this also. Okay, if it is a free tier, then you can use it. If it is not, then you can use live uh, photographic surveillance also. So core feature, user feature registration login, search parking spot, book parking, Monday 1 month, it will give live CCTV footages. Okay, then what we can do, get alerts, payment statements, book history. Okay, and in feature, manage parking locations, monitor all vehicles, add CCTV feeds, manage pricing, view analysis and view analytics, security features. Okay, OTP based login, role based access, CCTV encryption, alerts on suspicious activities. Okay, Angular.NET API, okay, SQL Server database, CCTV IoT devices, user vehicle, parking slots, bookings. Okay, this is the basic table that we have to make, but okay, while going through it, we can understand whatever what we are doing. All right. So payments, CCTV feeds, alerts, and API modules, auth API, parking API, CCTV API, payment API, notification API, product roadmap, MVP, minimum viable product, goal, basic working system, registration login, parking slots, booking, basic in the dashboard, static CCTV images. Okay, not live. Okay, static. That's the main thing now. So, all right, it's page two, core features. So what are the core features? Live CCTV integration, payment gateway, roadmap, Razor Pay, alright, Razor Pay, notifications, SMS, booking management, pays advanced feature, goal, make product smarter, AI-based alerts, vehicle number registration, real-time tracking, mobiles, responsive UI. Alright, goal, scaling and deployment Azure, load balancing, security handling, logging and monitoring. Time 2 to 3 weeks. Okay. Future enhancement mobile application, smart lock system for the parking gateways, integration with Google Maps, subscription plans. Okay. Unique selling point, live monitoring, security, long term parking, real-time alerts, enterprise level security, use case traveling, office workers. ठीक है. We are not going to go deeper into this, but what we are going to do for now, we are going to create the product, make it workable. So first thing, what we are going to do here, we are going to make and manage Excel sheet, computer, document, desktop, book one. Why book one? Spot, parking spot features. Okay. So what are the things that we are going to make sure that we have in our application needs? SAR number. First thing, we have to have a mm, feature. Mm, then we have admin login also we have to have, but for that features, in that feature, description of that feature. Then what we have, estimated time, what what is the actual time that is required to build this product feature. So that's the time. Status, is it working, is it it is upcoming or anything like that. If it is in production, then we are going to set it as a production. If it is going to be in the QA or any other environment, then we are going to set it as an environmental thing. Then what we have here, status is going to be like this. Then okay, if it is time time required, estimated time. So how much time it does take to make that application, and how we took, means suppose the estimated time for doing this feature or login feature is going to be like 2 days, but when we are making it in 4 to 5 days, then the actual buffer between these two times is going to be the estimated time that is going to be added in the last of what we are going to deliver this product, right? So these are the small things that we have to understand. The first feature, we don't know what is the feature that we have. Okay. But by the product or design criteria, design part, we are going to make sure to build the document feature. Document. Okay. So is it the first thing that we have to make the document? How to build this? Build this. Give me the map for it. Okay. Action. How complete development roadmap, step by step. Verify. Don't skip this. Step 1, finalize the feature. Use or login, advanced vehicle, book parking spot, view booking, static CCTV images. Okay. So document making. So the document is going to be made by us only. So how What are the features? Description. We in the we are going to understand that what are the features are going to be there in our application. First thing, that is okay. Then other thing, what are the features? Okay, features is divided up application there. त्याच्यानंतर okay, features that are we have in our application, we are going to understand features. Okay, basic features. Make and make it a thing. Look into the ideas of today's parking book parking application. Okay, these are the things that we are going to do. Okay, how I can do this? I want to make it in Control X. So this is my trick. If I'm not able to set it in multiple lines, then I'm going to copy that and paste into this Excel sheet, make the thing look into. Okay, and then if I copy this and paste it in our Excel, then it will give us this format. So this is my trick, to not a trick, but it is, it's a lot, it's most of you guys also use this. Okay, so after this one, second thing is going to be tech. tech so in this tech, what we are going to understand, what are the we are to use in it. Like, suppose I have the technologies, like, see, I have the technologies like C sharp API, okay, and Angular. But Angular also have Ionic features. If I need to create a mobile application, then also I can do it in Angular, okay, with Ionic system. So I need to use these systems also. So like this, we have multiple things, so we can do that also. So for that, I need to research on this. After this research, I can get a conclusion where I can find the things like what are the technology that I need to use for making sure that we have the best product. All right, so these are the things that I'm going to work upon. mm, fix fix and finalize the actual we are to use in the application. All right, so the time required for this basic document creation, we are going to take 24 hours. Okay, so for 24 hours, we are going to make sure that it is going to fully created. Means all the things that are required as a feature wise, basic things, like everything we are going to make sure that everything is loaded in this 24 hours. Okay, if it is in process, then we are going to make it as in process, process state. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to make. So for this also we are going to set it to 24 hours. Why I'm making this as a 24 hours? See, just give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. HR. Okay, 24 hours. Why I'm giving this 24 hours to this? So the first thing, we have all the things like Jira, ticket making, and GitHub Copilot, GitHub, setting up the GitHub repositories, and all the things that are related to our Git. Okay, to make sure that our product is going to be aligned, or we are using this recent technology. We have to make sure that these are the things that are required. So I'm going to make sure that uh, everything is set up, like repositories structures are set up, and the things related to that, where we are going to pushing the code, are going to be aligned. Okay, so making sure all of these things are going to be take some time. So we are going to we are going to make it rough estimate as, okay, control X, control V. Alright. So the first thing that we have here is going to be creating the document. Second thing is going to be text that we are going to use. The third thing, building the product. Okay, team and build. So I'm not going to give you this actual estimated time here, because a lot of things are going to be affect while going through this. So I'm not going to give this actual time, but we are going to give it this 3 months, 3 months as a prior setup, but for also deployment also. But for now I'm going to keep it as blank. Fourth thing, mm, build team, sorry. Okay, so team related to the application need to build. Okay, so suppose I have the parking spot. Okay. Somewhere I have the parking spot where I have the 40 by 40 meters of area, or a house where I have the lots of parking, but that is not in use. So I can purchase it for now for some days, so that I can make sure that this is also have an identity. Okay, so uh, that is going to be our team, and that team is going to be that team is going to give us a screenshot. Okay, that is the thing that that I have in my mind right now. So what is the next thing what we have here? Build team. Okay, team building is the long and hectic process, so I'm not giving that also an estimate. And fifth, fifth environment, environment, setting the mm, environment, like creating new feature, and application is the main thing that we are going to do. So it is a round robin type thing, like where we are going to create a new feature daily basis, and then we are going to deploy it, okay, as a sprint goal. Okay, so that is the main thing, that is very uh, um, that is going to be the long thing that we are going to make. But for now, what we are going to do, we are going to create this document. Okay, it is almost an hour that we are doing this. So I'm going to create new sheet document in the next video, next live session. So um, daily basis we are going to give this an hour. So live live session. So in the live session we are covered 1 hour. Okay, 22 3. So we covered 1 hour, 1 HR, and we are going to set a remaining time. Okay, so remaining time is 23 hours. So daily basis we are going to check this, and we are going to update this one. All right, so description for what is this for? SR number. All right, so these are the things that we are going to do on daily basis. So for today we are going to uh, round up this live session. We are going to do this today also. We're going to give more time to this on today or tomorrow, because we have lots of time at Saturday and Sunday. So we can give this to building the new product. So we have a rough estimation, rough idea of what we are going to do for this 3 or 4 months in the live sessions. So for this document making, document creation, and rough ideas, we have covered the 1 hour today. So from tomorrow's onward, we're going to create the document, create the basic functionalities, and making sure that we have the right environment to build this. Right. So thank you for watching this video. We are going to continue this tomorrow. Thank you.